Hi and welcome to Stockport Motor Match. I'm going to present to you an absolute treat. This is a 2017 Ford Focus ST-3 in stealth grey. It's an absolute gorgeous vehicle and it comes with the LED daytime running lights. You've got the ST badging at the front. You've got those gloss black air vents on the bonnet. It comes with a black styling pack throughout. All what is usually chrome is now gloss black. Adds a nice stealthy look to the overall vehicle. Got those gorgeous 19-inch alloys with the red brake calipers. It's fitted with a Mountune kit and it sounds absolutely fantastic. And it comes with full service history. It's a very well presented vehicle which provides a lot of power, comfort and excitement. You've got your rear parking sensors with your dual exhaust. More ST badging at the back. Got a very practical boot space. You'll have no trouble fitting any shopping or luggage in there. We'll move to the interior now. The absolutely stunning leather interior. The Recaro seats. Very comfortable. Very sporty. Fit the vehicle very nicely as well. Got that gorgeous dashboard, very stylish. ST embroidery on the seats. These are fully electric. And you've got your ST branding on the door sill. Got full electric windows and central locking. It comes with a Sony audio which sounds amazing. You've got your leather multifunctional steering wheel here with your cruise control and display controls. You've got the ST branding at the bottom as well as your Bluetooth controls there as well. It's currently on 24,147 miles, which is very good mileage for this vehicle. You've got your leather centre armrest with a 12-volt socket and a USB input. You've got your two hidden cup holders. It comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got your USB input there as well. You've got your front heated seats. You've got your quick clear heated windscreen, only found in Ford vehicles. You've got a nice and easy to use dual zone climate control. Perfect for if you want it in different temperatures as your passenger. Got all your display controls there. On your touchscreen display here, you can access many features. You've got your satellite navigation. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity on there. As well as your DAB radio, AM and FM. This vehicle also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if you flip the vehicle into reverse, you can access your rear parking sensors on your display. On the top of your dashboard here, you've got your 3 different gauges. Nice sporty look to the vehicle. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please give us a call on 0161 475 7940. Thank you.